My ex-wife is demanding my son to let his stepsister ride with him to school, but he's refusing since it's technically illegal, and now she's making his stepsister try to block him from getting there by standing in front of his car. I, 45M, share 3 kids with my ex, 16M, 14M, and 11F. We divorced 10 years ago. My ex, D, remarried 8 years ago and has another biological daughter, 7F, and a stepdaughter, 14F. My kids have never really gotten along with their stepsister. She pretty much gets whatever she wants. She has always had her own room and bathroom at their mom's house. My daughter had to share with her brothers. She does not do chores and expects my kids to do whatever she asks them to do. Things have been really bad the last 2 years, and a little over a year ago, my oldest came to live with me full time. A few months later, his brother followed. My oldest turned 16 back in December. I bought a car for him. My only request was that he would take his brother and sister, my kids, to school.